Hi everybody, it's Lavinia and welcome to my channel. This is my part 2 of my destash of some papers and my cigar box that I have. And 007 Bond Girl had won the first one, so this is the second destash that I'm doing. And it will be this cigar box. And you can decorate it as you wish, or, if you want to use it as a shadow box, you can take these apart and maybe use these two pieces as shadow boxes. It does have the velvet bottom, which is nice. And I think I had showed you in another video on how I decorated the cigar boxes. So for example, here's one. This one here with the Audrey Hepburn, and these papers are what I use to decorate part of this box here. And I have my soaps in here, and then this cute picture of her with her pink bubble gum. So that's an option. And as I mentioned, this is one of the paper pads that I'll be giving away. Now again, of these paper pads, I have used them, so they're not brand new, but this one is called Simple Elegance with Foil. And it's 4.5 by 6.5 by the Paper Studio. And as I said, I really love this paper. Look at that. Really pretty. Love that. So there's that one. And then there's this one called Safari Untamed. And I've used these. So these have different prints, animal prints in different colors. And I've used these to either make little gift boxes or magnets, little kitchen magnets or desk magnets. Then there's this one called Authentique. It's 6 by 6 Seasons Essentials. And I've used some of these. This is double-sided. So it's like the fall muted colors, but very pretty. So that's included as well. And then there's this one by Kirby Teasdale from the Paper Studio. And I've used this a lot for mixed media canvas projects, for making little gift boxes, for making, whoops, sorry about that, my magnets. So some of these pages have more than one print than others. So, but just to show you, again, the pretty colors. This is just one-sided, but I think there's a lot of options for either mixed media or card making. So there's that. And so in order to be participate into this raffle, you have to be you have to be at least 18 years of age. You have to be a public subscriber to my channel, which means that I have to be able to see on my analytics page that you have subscribed to my channel. And I will post in the description box if you're not sure on how to do that. I do have a video out on how to check to see if you're a public subscriber. And the question that you have to answer the last one was what's your specialty craft. This time the answer that you have to put in the comment section below is, what craft would you like to try out? So maybe it's something, maybe you're into crochet and maybe you'd like to knit, maybe you're into card making, but maybe you like to try sewing. Maybe you're a quilter, but you're not you haven't made clothes, or maybe you're a seamstress and would like to do quilting or yarn, glass making. I think one of the things I would like to learn or maybe do would be making my own glass beads. I mean, there's a lot of different things that I would like to learn or try out, like the Cricut machine or die cutting and card making, like those elaborate cards that I see people make, that are beautiful. So even though I don't make that, I do like to subscribe and watch those videos, because it's just something that, it's a work of art, so I like to watch that. So that's what you have to put in the comment section below. What craft would you like to learn how to do, or you're not doing but wish you could try out if you could? And again, this is all free. There's no charge to that. So, but again, you have to be at least 18 years of age, be a public subscriber to my channel, and put that answer in the comment section below. So I hope you subscribe and like and share this video. So again, if this isn't something that maybe you're interested in, but know of other of your subscribers who might be interested in, just let them know, maybe in one of your videos. I am going, today's Sunday, and I will probably be doing the drawing probably next Saturday afternoon. I am Mountain Standard Time, so I will probably close the video or close the drawing on, next Saturday morning. I will change the title of the video to closed. So, I hope you enjoyed this and I'm still doing charms for my 100 subscriber giveaway, and I will be doing a tutorial on this one. It's a Christmas tree that I made out of paper, and then I just strung some beads along there. So I thought it came out really cute. So it's not a glass bead, but it does look like one. And I'll show you how I've done that. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you are staying safe and be well and are having a great weekend. All right, take care. Bye.